University, of course, it is the university is an autonomous body. Only governor can, as a chancellor, in certain cases, I will have to, my consent is required. All other things that an autonomous body. That autonomous body, I don't know when a nominal political party and their his cousin is also a press worker, making all the dhotiwalas are
allegations.
Dhotiwalas are two. Vice Chancellor also happened to be a person. That is a list given to the government, and on that Goan system, I have elected him. 3 names were given. Out of that, one I selected. So he also
there was no favoritism.
So no favoritism.
Did you feel hurt by those?
That type of propaganda was unfortunate. I'm a God-fearing person. So before I am leaving this place, now Goa University B plus, now A plus for up to 2030 it will continue. That achievement is there.
The first thing was using that word called Kerala lobby. How do you respond to that?
I can't understand this type of propaganda. Himalayan lie. This university vice chancellor ever appointed in any your allegation. In appointing also not correct. India is my concept is our. Can you point out a single person appointed by the vice chancellor from Kerala in any post? I can end my public life. As far as a chancellor is concerned, supervisory authority.